Hey guys, welcome to Solar Cabin Channel. Hey, today I've got a neat product I think you're going to be interested in. This is a 120 watt monocrystalline solar panel made by Browey. Now I also got, before I got the panel, I got this Browey power station. I've really liked this unit because it's very lightweight and I can take it with me camping really easily. And it has enough power that it will run my micro fridge, my portable fridge, which is 12 volt. It will run that for 20 hours. So I've really got a lot of use out of this when I'm camping. This is a solar panel now that Browey has come out with, 120 watt. And what I like about this is it can be used with the Browey power station, or it can be used with just about any power station out there. So if you have a different brand and you're looking for a portable solar panel, this may be the one that you're looking for. Now this comes in a case. It is waterproof and designed to be outside. It is a monocrystalline panel, and I'll fold it out here so you can see. It folds out, and then it has foot rests on the back of it that you can fold out, and you can set it anywhere so that it's in the sunshine. Now 120 watts is a good size for recharging power stations, especially the smaller power stations. That's about the maximum that they can handle. But this is a monocrystalline solar panel, which means it's going to get the maximum amount of sunshine when the sun is very bright. It folds up very nicely, compact, easy to carry around, but it has some other features here which I'll show you. In this case here, it has a built-in controller right here, and it also includes the adapters for all the different power stations that use the barrel type plug adapters. So it will work with a lot of different power stations besides just the Browey that they carry. And it also has USB ports, and this is something that I find very interesting that I like. This actually has USB ports. It has a USB A and a USB C port. You can charge directly from the USB plugs on this to small gadgets. So you can recharge up your phones, your laptops, you can run fans, you could run anything that runs off of USB or USB-C ports. You can run directly off the solar panel. Okay, now that's different than a lot of those others out there that you can't charge directly off of. So if you're camping and you want to run a fan or recharge your phone or something like that, you can just fold this out. You can recharge your power station and also use USB plugs on this to recharge up other small gadgets or run other small gadgets. And it does have the cord that plugs in here for your USB Browey or any other power station. And it simply fits on this one. It fits into the AC slot right here. And this will charge up, and I checked this, it's 120 watt in direct sunlight. You'll get anywhere from 100 to 120 watts out of it, and it will recharge this unit up in about 5 hours, about 5, maybe 6 hours, depending on how much sun you get. But about 5 hours, it will completely recharge up this power station. I like it. It's very portable, compact, folds up very nicely. You just fold it up together and put it back in. It's got Velcro on it. It's got a handle on it. And you can put everything back in this nice little case here and take that with you when you're camping. Again, that's made by Browey on Amazon. And I like the fact that it can be used with multiple different power stations. And it seems very compact. I like it. It's also lightweight, easy to take along if you're camping. All right, folks, look for that on Amazon.